The services page is about what your company can do, and how great you are at it. Although they make sure to mention how their services will turn into the solutions for their audience, they make sure to include the reader is involved within each of the services. Is a services page important to a website? Your services page is one of the most critical pages on your website, whose purpose is to not only reveal what you offer but how your company stands out from the rest. If your services are visual, a variety of photography or graphics accompanying the content may help put everything together. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a sample services page, using the default theme of WordPress. To start, go to your dashboard. Go to Pages, then click Add New to create a new page. I will name this page Services. Then I will add a heading. After that I will add a block named Media and Text, to show both image and text, and give the visitors a clear description of what type of service the website is offering. Then I will add another one of these blocks. This time I will make the image appear on the right, and left is the text. Then I will add another type of block on the center of these media blocks. A spacer, to give an extra white space between both services. Like so. I will repeat these method 4 more times, alternately, to add the remaining services. Then hit Publish to save your work. Let's visit the site. Notice that we only have 3 menu options. And none of them is services. We still need to add the services page we created. To do that, go back to your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click Menu. Click View All, at the left column to view all of your pages. Select the services page we created. Then click Add Menu, to add. Scroll it to the position you want your services page to appear. Then click Save Menu to save. Let's visit the site again. Now we can see the services page on our menu. Click the page, and it appears exactly how we made it earlier. I'm thinking of removing the Our Services heading, and put it above instead, replacing the services title above. Now it seems that services menu text had changed, and now similar with our title. I want it to be uniform with the other menus. To fix that, go back to your dashboard, go to Appearance, then once again click Menu. And edit the navigation label. I will change that into Services. Then save. Visit the site. And we can see that our services menu name is now uniform with the other menus, without affecting the services page title that we've set. That's how you create a simple services page. Feel free to customize yours to a look and feel you want it to have. Thank you for watching. And subscribe for more videos.